But people don't understand, you know. DJs are super important, you know.
Bro, talking about DJs, man. I did a lot of research when I was in college. Man, it all goes back to Jamaica.
The DJing?
Oh yes.
Welcome to the Dale Elliott podcast. I am your host, Dale Elliott, and I am here with my good friend, a very special guest. You know, this is my Ghanaian brother, Mr. Blaq Pages.
Thank you for having me on your show, man.
Now, people, Pages is one of the biggest DJs outside of Africa, and Pages is from Ghana. Now, Pages, I want you to tell the people about yourself, first of all.
Oh, man. Born and raised in Ghana, live in America for a while. LA. I'm a music producer and DJ. I'm touring the world right now, and I'm excited about life.
Yes. You see, perfect. You know, get to the point, quick.
Yeah.
So, see that you're born in Ghana. So,
Yeah.
in Jamaica, my supporters, we have a thing now where we're like, we were born in Jamaica, and we would say that, you know, we make us like Jamaican. And somebody that is not born in Jamaica but have like Jamaican parents, we still consider them Jamaican, but we still have like this gripe like, yo, I am more Jamaican than you because I was born there. Is there a thing like that between Ghanaians and Ghanaians born in the US?
Definitely. I think so. But for me, I don't see it that way. I think as long as you know about your roots, and your culture, that's enough for me.
I feel like that is important. And speaking of roots, I know that a lot of Ghanaians, you know, Jamaicans, we're actually
connected.
Yeah, from
Actually,
Ghana.
when I went to Jamaica, that was one of my first goals, was to go to the Akumpon. Go check out like the Maroons.
Yeah.
Yeah, I loved it, bro.
Yeah.
And like there's a connection there, and some of the people still speak like the language from Ghana.
Yeah, I realized that because you understand me very easily.
Yeah.
My patois.
Yeah.
So is it how similar is it to the Ghanaian language?
It's very, so you know, there are certain words in the patois that we also say in our language too.
All right, like what?
Yeah. Like say something. You say anything.
All right. Jano. Or Bomboclat.
No, not Bomboclat. But you know, something like how do you say do you see what I say?
See what I say?
Yeah.
So
it sounds very similar to what it would be like our language.
Yeah.
Me means me.
Me.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, I'm like that, you know, because I've been to Africa once, but I went to South Africa, and there's this disconnect between
Definitely
the Caribbean
in South Africa
and Africa. Not just South Africa,
but like in Africa. Okay, I see what
Africa on a whole.
you mean.
Because
yeah.
when I went to Africa for the first time, it's the only place in the world you can't see. I don't know something about and this shades thing. You know, I feel like I got to wear shades anyway. There's going to Africa was the only time I actually feel like I belong somewhere. Yeah, and it's a different feeling from traveling anywhere else.
Definitely, because you see everybody look like you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let me see. It's like everybody like look like me, happy, dancing, be a big body girl.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. What's the word Ghanaians use for bottom again?
Bottom. So I mean, Nigerians using nyash.
Nyash. Yeah.
Nyash is the popular one.
Yeah.
You know, and in East Africa is bunda.
Bunda.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me hear that England will leave.
Yeah,
Bunda.
Yeah.
So Ghana don't have like a special.
Our own is more of like it's more in our language, so it's more focused on our. It's called etu.
Etu?
Etu. Yeah.
All right. Me only know Etu play ball.
But you know, you go to Ghana, there's so many Etu walking around.
Oh, all right. Yeah, because so there is this big festival in Ghana that you played last year. What's that Ghana? No, because I feel like there's this like movement where it's like all African Americans and.
Oh, you're talking about Afrofuture?
Yes, in Ghana.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I see you play some super big arena, man. I say, yo, how is that? Because I feel like you are because there's a couple African DJs, but right now I feel like there has been this wave of Afrobeats for the last, like, I'd say 6 years.
Facts.
That you are a part of that wave in terms of pushing African music all over the world. How has it been seeing the rise from when you just moved to LA in comparison to how it is now? Hey, monsieur. Before you move, just like, share, comment, subscribe. Raise up your views then, man.
Man, when I first moved to LA, bro, there was a scene, but you know, it's like the uncles and the aunties, that was their scene. But like people our age, the young, like, because I remember when I came, I was in high school, so I wasn't really going out. So when I went to college, I was trying to figure out where did the Africans go and hang out? Where do we go party, like the young Africans? And there was nothing. So I was like, yo, what do I do about this? You know, so I started doing my research and I started throwing parties on college campus. Dropped out. As soon as I dropped out and Afrobeat started rising, I was like, okay, I need to be part of this movement. Else somebody else.
Somebody gonna capitalize.
Exactly. So I stepped in, I started doing parties, and then it just started taking off, man. And like now, like, and the good thing about it was like the artists kept coming. More artists kept making music. More artists kept coming out, like Rema, like the Burna Boy. But Burna Boy's been around for a minute.
Yeah, that's what I've been told. Like,
he's
Burna
been
Boy,
around like for a long time.
People telling me about Burna Boy from like 2015, 2014.
No, even more than that, 2011.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, he's been around for a minute.
Yeah, because I realized when the African artists, when they come here, you are like one of the go-tos. It's like, I know for, like, if there's a, say Rema is here, I'm like, okay, if Rema is here, if Pages is having something, there's a high possibility
Rema's gonna be there.
that I'm gonna see an Afrobeats artist there.
Yeah.
And I like that. I like the unity that I'm seeing amongst the African. And then I just always feel like accepted. So, you know, it's like, so now, you know, dancehall, I feel like dancehall has been, we had a bubble. I feel like we had a run. And if I am being honest right now, I think Afrobeats is kind of like edging us out where the global scene is concerned.
True. But I think dancehall also kind of helped shape Afrobeats a little bit.
I'm happy you said it.
Yes. No, yes. I see, because there's a huge influence that Africans take from dancehall, reggae, and everything. There's a huge influence because, bro, like, you hear it in the music. Yeah. Because someone, even Burna Boy put patois here and then some of his lyrics. Rema does, and like even Wizkid does. A lot of artists. Yeah. So I feel like there's an influence there. So I feel like Afrobeats definitely took some influence from dancehall. Yeah,
and even if people want to be petty, they can say, but at the end of the day, you guys are African and
we're the same people.
Exactly.
Yeah. So I don't think it should be a separation thing. It's just
no. When I say Afrobeats in terms of having an edge,
I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about people always trying to keep.
They always try to like have a strong divide.
Yeah.
There's some things that I like about Afrobeats in terms of Afrobeats focus on love, joy, sexy, fun.
Yeah.
Like, I've never heard like a bad man or Afrobeat song. Yes. Like Jamaicans, when we have our music, dancehall, we have reggae, and then we have music for different times. So whether we're feeling violent today, whether we're feeling to have sex
and
today, we have a big palette to choose from.
Definitely.
Afrobeats to me is just always just happy.
Yeah.
Like it's just dancing and happy. Like
I think it's because of being in Africa, and I think Africans are so welcoming.
Yeah.
So it's like the music kind of like shows. It shows in the music, you know. So I think you know, when you went to South Africa, how was it for you?
When I went to Joburg.
Okay.
Yeah, and I go out. I think I went out like one night there, and I was like, yo, this is like
A family, a big family.
Exactly. What I did have in mind of Africa, when I went to South Africa and I saw BMWs as police cars, and because I never know, yo, let me get this out there. Africans have swag, like dress wise.
Yeah.
I don't know. Africans know for like put it on. To me, when you see a group of like African, like I can spot them from a mile away. Like when I see some, I'm like, all right, shades, pants, designer. Yeah, this is a group of Africans coming right now.
No, yeah. They like to show off.
Yeah, and it's all sweat when you party.
Yeah.
So for us Jamaicans, we dance, you know, but we have sections for dancing. We break our parties up into like quarters. So we will have the part where, okay, this is the time to slow dance with the girls, and now is the time for the men who feel like they want to shoot somebody. But we have sections. I feel like Afrobeats, I've never seen a downtime. Like, when do you guys rest?
When we're ready to go home.
Yeah. Sometimes I go to the parties, you know, and I see you playing, you know. I mean, I say, yo, all right, Pages, I'm tired now. Give me
a break.
Let me get a break. No, it's just another song. I mean, I say, yo, that man here, nah, stop.
Now, because, you know, at a party in America, you only got 4 hours.
Right.
And so in Africa, right? So like I was telling you about December. If you go to Ghana in December or anytime, we don't go out till, for me, I don't step out to the house till like 2 a.m.
Oh, so in Jamaica it's like 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and a party don't end till like 8 a.m.
Yeah.
Yeah, 8 a.m., 9 a.m. So I step out and I go to like 4 or 5 spots.
Oh, that just like Jamaica.
Yeah.
Oh, so basically it's like, yo, because you have to DJ to fit that specific time.
Yes.
Oh, well, no, that makes sense. You know, but what I'm having a difficult time with differentiating the two. So there's Afrobeats and then there's Amapiano.
Yes.
You're a DJ. Can you please explain to me what is the difference?
So Afrobeats come from Nigeria and Ghana, right?
Okay.
And Amapiano is South Africa. Amapiano has more of that 808 log drum. We hear that. It's like there's a big difference you could tell, right? But now a lot of Afrobeats artists are mixing Amapiano
with their music.
With the music, right? So the Amapiano is more of like the bass that's in there, which is called like the log drum. So like the log drum is what separates Afrobeats and Amapiano, right? But now, you know, Nigeria and West Africans are claiming Amapiano.
Oh, that's a thing now?
It's a thing now. And right now, if you go on Twitter, it's like, and like, because a lot of Nigerian artists are like making the sound go viral as well too.
Yeah.
They're making the sound bigger. But I don't think it should be a division thing, because if you go on TikTok or like Instagram or like social media in general, South Africans are coming for Nigerians or coming for people who are not doing the genre right, you know, or like, oh, this is not my piano, or even if it's not coming from South Africa, it's not my piano. But I feel like music, as long as the music is coming from like the right intention, the right space, and I think as long as you're African, you're doing my piano, it should be fine. But you know, South Africans are just like, nah, if it's not from South Africa, it's not Amapiano.
Oh, because there's this one Amapiano song that I think I heard for the first time. You were at a party at Los Globos, and I heard this song, and the song is like saying, "Nigga." That's racist. I'm hearing.
It's not nigga.
I'm hearing nigga. I am hearing nigga. I'm telling you, I was standing beside a white person and they were clearly saying nigga.
Because they don't know the lyrics.
All I'm nigga. That's Amapiano, right?
It is Amapiano, but the word is not nigga.
It's nika.
Yeah.
But if you listen to it clearly, that is nigga.
But you know, when it come on, all the white people are definitely saying nigga.
Listen to me, bro. I can see it. I'm like, yo, they are doing something that is different.
But you know, there's this MC that I work with, right? And in LA, his name is Saga. And when this guy, when that song comes on, you know what he says on the mic?
What?
What do you call a black man in America?
And everybody starts saying.
Everybody starts saying that.
Oh, so I am not the only one that is hearing that.
He says it, and even all the white people, Mexicans, everybody's saying it. I'm like, bro, don't do that again. And then every time he do it again.
Hey, I think because partying is, when people are party, people just have,
They don't really care.
people just have fun.
They feel free.
Yeah. I have actually never seen, so I always speak about the power of niches. And so I would say my niche is like Jamaican, Caribbean, people of that diaspora. And your niche is Africa.
Africa, yeah.
Africa has a billion people by itself. And I did have there were people here with that issue saying that, yo, you're not trying to be mainstream or international. And we're just trying to break it down that there are millions of people like us in the world. Because when I go to, like, when I see you doing parties and I am seeing 2,000, 3,000 people, they're all Africans.
Yeah.
And wouldn't we consider it mainstream? Isn't it the same money? It's the same money.
Because I think, like you were saying earlier, like Afrobeats is growing as like global now, right? So even like now on your tour you're going to, you're going to see like in Europe, some of the parties, they're playing Afrobeats, but it's all white people there.
Yeah.
You know? And some cities that we go to on our tour, when we get there, even in America here, it's like the ratio is probably like 30% white people, and then you have like 10% Asians, and then like maybe 60% is all Africans, you know? But I think, you know, like you said, money's money. Like, bro, like whoever's interested in coming to enjoy, or whoever enjoys what you're doing.
Like, why, you know, it don't really matter to me.
It doesn't matter. It's like, for example, like, everybody loves tacos.
Yeah. Yeah. Right? And taco Mexican.
Yeah. Everybody love because they're selling their culture to the world. Yeah. So whoever wants to eat their food, you're welcome to eat it. Same thing you're doing. Yeah. Whoever loves what you're doing, they come and consume like your content.
Exactly, because bro, I have so many African followers. So much people from Africa follow me, and they're like, yo, the same stuff, like how I meet you. You're like, yo, those mother contents, that's the same thing my mother used to do. And I'm like, yo, oh, so it's really like Black is a universal thing.
Yeah.
Like we all go through the same thing. Because like in the industry of music, you say you're a producer, and this is something that I notice. So in the realm of touring and shows and ticket selling and stuff like that, we're seeing where, say there's a mainstream artist that is on #1 on every Billboard chart, where you take them to the Cowboy Stadium in Texas right now, with that holds 60,000 people, and they cannot fill it. But I promise you, if you put Burna Boy at Jerry World, he will sell 60,000 tickets. Yep. And we're not seeing him at #1 on the Billboard.
Because he has core fans. He has people who actually love the music that's coming. But I think a lot of things too, with what you just said, like right now, even like where a lot of hip hop artists are not filling up arenas, stadiums, because like it's the music, bro. I don't know, but and also too, a lot of like when you see a lot of artists that's #1, is the labels that's pushing them to be #1.
Yeah, I learned that.
They're paying for it, for them to be #1. But it doesn't actually
it don't translate to real people.
Real people, real ticket sales. Yeah.
Yeah, because I used to wonder, like, where so much African come from? Like every time there's a show in LA, what I can say for a fact, I am sure that Africans show out. Yeah. Like, them come out. You know, and it made me feel good. Like, I've never like been to a concert. I go to the Davido concert, I've been to the Burna Boy concert, and it's all packed. And what I like is it's not only the performance. So for instance, when you're DJing, it's not only the music. There's always something. There's always, whether you're playing music and videoing it, or you're talking differently, or you pause to have a specific, I feel like there's like theatrics around the product that you guys are giving that makes it even more it's like, yo, I want to see what them boy I gonna do today. Because it's like always something special.
Yeah. I think that comes from like, you know, back home in Africa. I think everybody want to show that they're different.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, and I think that's what growing up, you know, they push us to go to exceed.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I know probably the same thing in Jamaica.
Yeah,
So,
with just the just the normal attitude.
It's like
of-
it's just like, yo, you can do better every
Yeah.
time. Yeah.
You know what I find very similar? So like the dances.
Oh man, every day there's a new dance coming up.
Yeah,
bro.
every day there's a new dance that look just like the dance that was out last year.
They just change it up a little bit.
They just do this. They just hold for 5 seconds
seconds.
here, and that change up the style.
Yeah.
So when DJing, do you how would you like? Because I know Afrobeats is like mostly like dancing.
Yes.
When how they react to you switching it up?
Oh man, it's transition.
Yeah.
Is how you transition from one song to the next song. So sometimes too, you know, what you can do is, as a DJ, what I'll do is like I'll tease a song, but I'll never play that song.
Oh, just to see.
Just see that reaction. So if I get a good reaction, sometimes I don't play.
Oh, you can just keep that and be
I just
like,
keep that.
I'll play that
I'll play
eventually.
that later. Yeah. So get them excited. Sometimes it could be just the intro of the artist saying something in the intro, or
Yeah.
maybe in the middle of the song, there was a break where the artist says something. So I'll play
Yeah.
that part, and then the whole crowd go crazy. Sometimes it just can be just the beat. You
Yeah.
don't even have to play the song, just the beat.
But I like that though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. But people don't understand it now. DJs are super important, you know.
Bro, talking about DJs, man. I did a lot of research when I was in college. Man, it all goes back to Jamaica.
The DJing?
Oh yes.
Yeah, explain.
So, you know, DJ Kool Herc.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you know he comes from a Jamaican family. So he started damn, I don't want to get my history wrong.
He's from New
in
York.
New York.
Yeah.
New York. So New York, and then he started throwing all these parties and started bringing the turntables out and DJing. That's how I started learning all about, because I went to school in LA, and then wasn't named Karis One came and told that whole history,
Yeah.
how he saw the whole movement start, and how it was a Jamaican that started the whole.
Trust me, it's
Yeah.
always, behind under every stone,
Totally.
there's a Jamaican.
Kinda.
I promise. you.
Yeah.
Biggie's mother's
Mother,
Jamaican.
Jamaican.
There's some Jamaican
Yes,
lineage for something.
somewhere, yeah.
See, it's just like when, Burna Boy, Steph London,
Done. Yo,
that big song.
I wish they were still together, bro.
You say you wish?
I wish they were still
Mrs.
together.
Steph. Burna Boy a gallus, you know.
Hey,
Yo, Burna Boy has to be the biggest gallus out of Africa.
I think when you got that money and you're traveling around the world and you're meeting so many women, but think about it. You travel around, you got money, travel around the world, you're a superstar.
Yeah, but this is what I feel.
But
like.
think about it though. Just I'm breaking it down.
Yeah,
Because if you're broke,
yeah.
you can't travel.
You can't do nothing. You can't do nothing. But this is what I use. I feel like, yes, he has money, but there is something about Burna Boy have charisma.
Yes.
Burna Boy is a great performer.
Yes. He's a star.
Yeah. In beam charisma and
Yeah.
aura. So
Yeah.
as much as he's, a famous person or whatever, if he never carry himself like that or he has more aura than, to me, a David or with something about Burna Boy.
I agree.
Something about him that says, yo, I am a star.
Bro, bro, he's like my favorite artist.
Bro,
right now.
Burna
Yeah.
Boy is cool.
Yeah.
To me, Burna Boy cool. I don't
Yeah.
know however he carry himself,
Yeah.
women find it
Attractive. Yes.
outside of
Music
Everything
and everything
else.
Yes.
Burna Boy does not look like without money, he's going to have a problem with women.
No, with women, no.
No, him don't strike that at all.
At all, yeah.
Burna Boy was always a gallus. Me can't see
Facts.
that. Trust me, you can know a man who is a gallus.
Yeah.
Cause of how him, you know.
So you think Burna Boy will ever get married?
I don't know him personally, but maybe not. Maybe not. The thing is, he's in Ghana. Can you guys have multiple wives?
Yeah, in some of like the tribes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And because remember, not all women is going to agree to having multiple wives.
But if you got the money,
Burna Boy can get multiple wives.
Multiple wives.
Yeah.
First.
So I see Burna Boy settling down with like 50 wives.
50?
Maybe 50.
God damn.
Probably.
What you gonna do if you were Burna Boy? What you gonna do with 50 wives?
I don't want 50 wives regardless. I can't manage that.
Yeah. It's a lot.
Yeah, 50, bro, one woman is really 5 women, you know.
Yeah, because they come in a lot of trouble.
Yeah, one woman have 5 different type herself to forgive you. So
Yeah.
if you have 50, that's crazy.
Yeah.
But that's why there is a specific aura to that I see Africans have where really translate to Caribbean people, especially like Jamaicans and Haitians, because anytime when I am around Africans, I'm like, oh, yo, we are really the same people.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's always a culture shock.
Yeah. Even the food too.
Yo, you guys have what you guys call it? Watch it. All right. Do you cook it?
I cook it.
How do you cook yours?
So first, you gotta let the peas
soak,
get a little soft before you cook it.
Mm-hmm.
So when you cook it, there's this leaf we add to it to give it like that color. All right.
Oh, so you guys add a leaf?
It's a leaf.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a leaf. It gives that color. And then once the beans cook for a while, then you add the rice, then you add your salt.
Yeah.
And then that's it.
Oh, so it's almost the same thing as rice and peas.
But I know you guys add like coconut.
Yeah,
coconut
we
milk.
put like coconut milk.
Yeah.
Sometimes we season it. The leaf that we add is thyme.
Thyme. I see that. Yeah.
So I don't know what you guys
bro,
use.
I love Jamaican food, bro.
I feel like it's almost the same thing.
Yeah, man. Aki. When I get aki,
Mm-hmm.
the saltfish, man.
So wait, you guys have aki in Ghana?
We have something similar.
Well, you guys have like fruit.
So we don't use the aki. We replace the aki with eggs.
Eggs.
Boy,
chicken can't escape nothing, sir. Jesus Christ.
Ghanaians love egg, bro. It's like a thing. Yeah, every African country tease Ghanaians about eggs. We love eggs, bro.
So you guys have egg in everything?
Not everything.
Yeah.
But 50% of everything.
Everything is egg?
Eggs, yeah. On the side.
Not on this. So like egg as a side dish?
As a side, it's like you boil like 2-3 eggs to eat with your whatever.
Oh no, that's crazy. Yeah. We do that with like plantain. Yeah, what you guys call plantain?
Plantain.
Plantain?
Plantain.
No, plantain. Plantain.
Plantain.
No.
Where's the coming from?
Is plantain. Because all right, say mountain.
Mountain.
All right. So why you call plantain?
Plantain.
Pronounce mountain. Mountain, right? Isn't a mountain? Yeah. Get it right, man. Get it right.
Hey, that's the white man's language, bro.
Bro, plantain. Speaking of language, so there's English. Mm-hmm. We speak English, and we have our dialect, patois. Does Ghana have any like?
We have it's called pidgin.
Pidgin.
Yeah, which is like broken. It's similar to
patois.
Patois, yeah. So I think from the history that I know was when we learned the English from the white man, right? We were trying to speak in a different way to confuse them.
Oh,
yeah. So that's how the pidgin came about, and it became a thing
then it stretched.
And it stretched.
So basically, patois is a mixture of African dialect, English, French, and everything.
Crazy. That's a serious combination right there.
Yeah. Hey, remember the triangular trade, you know?
Yeah.
Funny you speak about like slavery and stuff like that. I realized that. So you're from Africa, I'm from the Caribbean. I feel like we know a lot more about our history depending on the side of the trade that your country was on. So like what we know about Jamaica is a majority of the slaves that came to Jamaica is from Ghana and Nigeria, on the west coast. The Ashanti tribe. I want to go in depth on the types of tribe that is in Ghana. But we know that the Ashanti, the Yoruba, the Igbos, and Jamaica was basically where the slaves that were misbehaving, the slaves that didn't listen, the worst slaves would go to Jamaica, Haiti, because and then that is why, you know, we are the way we are now, which is the best slaves. Looking at it now, what do you know about, like, how did they teach you guys about slavery in?
Oh man, you know, so in Ghana, they used to teach us about slavery, and I like literally exactly how it happened. Right?
Oh, yeah, I want to know how it happened.
So, I mean, this is what we were taught. You know, they came as missionaries, right, to teach about the Bible and everything and trade. Some people came as traders.
Yeah.
Some people came as missionaries. And when they came, they imposed their beliefs and everything on us. And that's how we were shifting from what we believe in.
To Christians.
Yes. And when they came, they were like, oh, I have gunpowder. I want to sell you. I want to trade you for this. And they'd be like, okay, cool. I'll give you some slaves. I'll go. And that's when people were catching their own relatives and their own people in their own tribes and selling them as slaves in exchange of goods and services.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, you guys sold us.
Somebody.
No,
Somebody. But no, of course, it's
documented, right?
It is the truth, because I think for me, the chiefs, because it goes from like the hierarchy. Because when they come to the chiefs, like the elders.
Yeah.
And those are the people who are gonna be doing those work.
Yeah.
Catching the slaves and telling people, okay. And don't get me wrong, I think Africans had slaves before they even came.
That's what I was gonna ask you.
I think they had, because even if you go into like our like the king's palace, you have people who serve the king. Yeah, the servants. So I feel like it was already a thing there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, because that's what we learned. We learned that, you know, the Europeans went to Africa with gunpowder, horses, clothing, stuff like that.
To trade stuff that we don't have.
Yeah. And then you guys traded it for people.
Yeah. But they didn't know that we were ahead of the Europeans as far as like civilization. They didn't know that.
Oh, I know that the college, what them call it, Timbuktu.
Where's that?
So we learned that one of the first colleges in the world was out of Africa, and it was called Timbuktu.
I've never been there, but I didn't know about that history. Yeah.
I want to make sure I don't get the word wrong, but I think I'm right.
Okay.
I
need to look it up. I mean,
there was one of the first colleges in the world.
I know that, you know, from what my grandma told me, it was like, we Africans have been traveling the world and had discovered the world before we...
From like the Moors.
Yes, we've been doing that. And like, even like, I recently went to Tulum like last year.
Yeah.
And I see it, that Africans were here.
Yeah,
we're there.
Way before.
Way before, yeah. And even like in Asia, when I went to China, there's this part of China where I was like, nah, Africans were already here.
You're like, nah, we definitely
were
came
here. Because like, there were certain things that you see, like certain like landmarks that you also see in Africa. And I saw it there, you know. And there are parts of Asia where you go, where you see people that look just like me and you.
In Asia?
In Asia, with the same hair texture.
So I never know that.
But they're in the villages.
Okay.
Yeah. And for me, I think when Pangea, after Pangea, when
the world was one big thing,
everybody stayed behind, and then like, you know, because we were already traveling around the world. If you go to Mexico, you see people that look just like us, bro.
And I see the statues with the nose.
bro.
Them nose, African nose cannot
Bro,
hide.
we were everywhere, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I really, when I look at like slavery, and I'm like, yo, when I look at Africans, I feel like we are the fastest, the strongest.
Bro, everything, bro.
It just seemed weird
Yeah.
for somebody to come to Africa and be like, we're gonna forcefully take you big
Yeah.
strong people. It just don't make
doesn't-
sense
yeah.
to me.
But I think I feel like manipulation and like deceiving the people, because if you tell people, oh yeah, this is what you should believe in, or this is what it is, then I think there were so many things that they did to change. I think it was a mental
change
thing.
your mind?
I think it was a mental thing.
Do you think that the Africans knew that when they trade the people, what was happening to the people?
I think so. I think some knew.
After.
My bad. Yeah, I think some knew when it was happening, but they tried to fight it, because there is this lady called Yasantua.
Okay.
Right? She was a Shanti warrior. She fought back. She was shooting.
Okay.
She was shooting the white people. Like, she fought back.
Mm-hmm.
And when they came to enslave some of these people, she fought back and she drove them away.
Oh, so like we have Nani.
I know Nani. Yeah.
Nani of the Maroons is actually, I think, we're from the Ashanti tribe, in Ghana.
But you know, Jamaicans. So if you look at the Ghana map, right?
Yeah.
So I can understand that Jamaicans come from the Ashanti tribe, right?
Yeah.
But I feel like you guys are more connected to the Fanti tribe, because they're on the coast.
Okay.
So the coast is where all the slave castles were.
Yeah.
Were on the coast, right? And in a place in Ghana called Accra.
Yeah, I know Accra. That's the capital, right?
The capital. So the people from there are called the Gans. So the Gans people who are also by the coast. And the way Jamaicans act, they act like the people like they act like the Gans and the Fantis. You can ask any Ghanaian.
Yeah.
Like the attitude, everything. Like they don't like everything.
You know, that is something that is very interesting to me hearing from an African, because like, so in Jamaica, we're just Jamaicans. We don't have like different tribes and stuff like that. You know, we have people from different areas. Well, can you like explain to me how many tribes are in Ghana?
Oh, bro, it's a lot.
And the difference between like kingdoms and chiefs, and because I always want to know like how that dynamic break down.
So, first of all, if you were to ask me how many tribes there is in Ghana, I wouldn't be able to tell you. Because
right.
even in Ghana, some people are saying different numbers, right? But I think there's so many, because there could be, even in the Ashanti region, there is tribes within the Ashanti region.
Oh, so all right, list the like 5 main tribes.
Five main tribes. So you have Fanti, Ashanti, you have Gan, Dagomba, Hausa, and you have Ewe. Those people come from like Togo and Ghana. They're like on the border.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like, bro, it's so many tribes. And this tribe I'm talking about is just like some of the basic. It gets very complicated.
Oh, so
Even within tribes, there are tribes.
So that means there is so much like chiefs and kings.
Oh, bro, there's so many chiefs. In one region, they can have like 50 chiefs.
And it's still like that today?
Yeah, still like that. Even in one city or one town, multiple chiefs.
Does the chiefs get like special treatment? Or
They do. Yeah, they do. Because some of them own the lands, they own like the resources. And that's how all these, I feel like that's another way where, you know, is when this white people come in, or the Asians, or
that's why it was
any
easy?
foreigners come in, they just talk to the chiefs and it becomes easier. Because now when they go, because like we have so many resources like gold, diamond, and everything.
Yeah.
They go and just talk to the chiefs, and the chiefs, oh yeah, you can use that land. And the chiefs don't even know how much, some people don't even know how value. Exactly.
So basically, because I always say that, you know, people always try to like put all black people together and say we're all the same. But knowing what I know now is like, yeah, Africa is big, but There's all like different kinds of like black
Black
people.
people, yeah.
Yeah.
I would say we're the same people, but I think the only thing that divides us is language.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I wish all black people spoke one language. Which Kwame Nkrumah, you know Kwame Nkrumah.
What is that?
Kwame Nkrumah was the first. He was the person that helped Ghana get its first independence in 1957. Right. So when he got the independence, he wanted Africa to have like one president, just like United States.
All of Africa?
Yeah.
That was talk. That looks super hard.
It was possible because he said, if we have one passport, one language, one currency, nowhere in the world can compete against Africa.
That's true.
And right now it's happening. Do you know how it's
Explain.
happening? So there's a guy in Burkina Faso doing amazing. You should go look him up. It'll blow your mind what he's doing. He shut down the whole world. He shut down any foreign influence in the country and build it from ground up. So if you are a prisoner, now you go work in the government farm.
Oh, to like build it up.
He started their own electric car companies. Like he's doing everything in-house in Burkina Faso.
Yeah.
He's not bringing in no influence. Bro, he let the French leave. They changed their currency. They changed their passport. They combined military with 3 other countries. So right now he's doing what Ghanaian first president was trying to do. He's doing that now. And trust me,
they're not like
US don't like it. The whole it's happening. Like there's a revolution happening right now in Africa. And if nobody's paying attention to it, it's bad. If as a black person, you should know what's going on in Africa right now. Because right now, everywhere in the world is fighting for Africa. Because Africa is the next place that's gonna be. It's gonna be the next hot thing for the economy to thrive. Anywhere for the economy, even for American economy to thrive, it depends on Africa right now. For Europe to thrive, right now, France economy is shit right now.
Without Africa.
Because a lot of African countries are kicking out France.
And I go to France, all I see is Africans.
Bro.
The whole World Cup team, all I see is Africans.
Africa has France has some of the biggest vaults of like gold and diamonds and everything, but they don't have no fucking mining sites in France. They don't have no resources, but they have all the resources from Africa.
Yeah, and the thing is with Africa, we always hear Africa is the richest continent.
Congo. You see what's going on in Congo?
No, you need to let me know.
Congo, so everything that's working from our phones, our cell phones, everything comes from Congo. Anything electronic.
Mm-hmm.
For our cell phones to work, everything comes from Congo. But Congo is the richest country in the world, but it's also the poorest. They have the poorest people in the country.
Because of how
the war has never stopped. The war. But nobody's talking about the war. There's a war today, right now.
For the resources?
Every single day, bro. People are dying every single day as a result. And you know the people behind it. We're using their cell phones. We're driving the cars.
What's the material that...
Cobalt.
Cobalt?
Yeah.
Oh, so Congo, like there's a mining...
Oh, bro. There's a whole... Bro, the war is bad. People are dying. Millions of people are dying. Bro, it's like a genocide happening right now in Congo. They're trying to wipe all of them out.
I feel like we don't know what is going on in Africa. I feel like we only see
because they don't want to put it. They don't want to put it in the news.
I feel like what? I feel like are they worried that other black people? I feel like black people uniting has to be like the scariest thing for any race.
Yes, because that's why I say when you get a chance, look at him. His name is Ibrahim Toure.
Yeah,
bro, the guy doesn't go. He's always trapped. Everywhere he goes.
Is he like the guy from South Africa with like the bricks thing, or that's different?
Oh, the guy that's sometimes like I know who you're talking about.
The guy from South Africa that nobody likes.
Him and him, they're like this.
Friends.
They're like this. So right now there's a revolution happening. So what the guy did, what he's doing now is changing all the African, because most of the African leaders are all corrupt. Bro, I'm telling you, it's bad.
I feel like corruption is like everywhere.
No, but in Africa it's bad.
Yeah.
It's bad. It's like they're making the money, but they're not developing
the country.
Like,
because there are some seriously rich people in Africa.
Oh, bro.
There's some crazy money in Africa.
Bro, selfishness, bro.
Like I've never seen a homeless African. in America.
Facts. Because we're like, yo, where we come from, bro,
we just have to work.
we have to make it. Yeah, we have to make it. And if you see in America, I mean, like you can't see any bum African, man.
Never. I've never seen one.
Yeah, you can't see any bum African.
Every African, I would say the same for Jamaicans.
Yeah.
Mostly.
Even Caribbeans and Africans, everybody's like, yo, I'm coming to make that money.
Yeah. All right, like so in Jamaica, a lot of, there's a, well, it can be a misconception, but we are like growing up in Jamaica, one of the goals is to either try to move to the US, move to Canada, move to the UK. How is it out of Africa? Is it like the same?
Same thing. Because everybody's looking at all these countries as like, yo, the way for me to prosper, the way for me to like get my family out of poverty and everything, which is a fact.
Yeah.
Because trust me, America is still one of the powerful nations in the world.
Yeah. And I feel like, but I can use here, develop myself here to give back to
my people.
Where we come from, which is Jamaica. But there is something about Africa. Like for instance, like land in Jamaica is expensive. I feel like when I see the houses in Ghana, and I have friends over here, like Nigerian friends, and they're like, yo, this is my house in Nigeria. And I'm like, yo yeah. And is it the same thing in Ghana? Can you like can you buy a property in Ghana for like 150,000 US?
Yes, you can.
And it's massive.
Massive.
150,000 US right now cannot get me a decent property in Jamaica.
Really?
Yeah, it cannot. 150,000 can maybe get me a 1-bedroom apartment or 2-bedroom.
That's
not
bad.
Yeah, I think
so. What about buying the land and building it yourself?
All right, so there is land.
Yeah.
I'm probably looking at it from a standpoint of where I'm from, because I'm from Kingston. So Kingston, 3/4 of the population of Jamaica lives in Kingston. So Kingston and St. Andrews is very populated. So the land there is very expensive. Now, I know there is like cheaper land in other areas, in other parishes, because we have a lot of parishes in Jamaica. So there might be cheaper land in like a St. Elizabeth or I am not even sure, but property in Jamaica is definitely not as cheap as what not even say cheap, because I feel like if the people that live there, we're supposed to be able to afford to live there. But because of the tourism, so we're just 1 hour, we're just an hour from America.
America, bro. I love Jamaica, bro. I've been 4 times.
Good. Where you go?
Bro, Mobay, Kingston, Negril. I love Negril. Negril is like my favorite place, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, Negril. I've been in Negril like 3 times.
Have you ever played in Jamaica?
Yes, I played at the Soca Plus Festival.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was crazy, bro.
Yeah, soca. We love soca time. You know, soca is Trini, you know.
I know it's Trini. I know, but
Cause they will fight. We don't want it, but we love it.
Yes.
Because I don't want to start the feud. Don't want to start the Trini and the Jamaica feud.
Oh man, you guys, it's just like Ghana and
feel like Ghana and Nigeria. Ghana and Nigeria.
Yeah.
But in that feud,
there's love.
It's still love.
Brother, sister love.
Yeah. It's more like a banter.
Yeah, it is a big banter. Yeah.
Yeah, like for you guys, is Nigerian and Ghanaian jollof.
Jollof. Oh man. But we all know it's Ghana jollof is the best.
I know that I gonna say that.
But you need to try both. Have you tried both?
Yeah, me try both.
So which one you like?
I think Ghanaian jollof is better.
Because I'm here.
No, I honestly think Ghanaian food is better than Nigerian food.
Man,
I'm going to tell you why. So I have Nigerian friends as well. And I feel like Nigerians fry the life out of the chicken. No, just leave some moisture in the chicken. That's all I'm saying. I beg.
They give you that stiff chicken.
Yo, the chicken don't have no moisture,
nothing.
Yo, it's like the chicken coming from the desert. Then just leave little flavor.
Nigeria, you heard it, right?
Yeah, just what I love in Nigeria.
Yeah.
Just instead of frying the chicken for 25 minutes, let it fry for 20. Too much.
But I would say it depends on the chef.
That too.
Because I've had some amazing like Nigerian jollof, and I've had some terrible Ghanaian jollof,
Yeah.
and I've had some good Ghanaian jollof, some terrible Nigerian jollof.
How is the Ghanaian food here versus Ghana? Is it like comparable?
No,
We have the same problem.
no.
Yeah, we have.
Because when I went to Jamaica, I
problem.
tried jerk chicken. Different.
What you did I eat here is not, well, it's jerk chicken, but not Jamaican jerk chicken.
I know, but so when I had the jerk chicken in Jamaica, different.
Even the chicken different. It's the same thing back in Ghana, right?
Back in Ghana, yeah.
Like the food, for some reason, the food here don't feel real sometimes.
Yeah, man. See that big chicken? Why they have them big ass chicken? The thigh,
Yo,
the thigh look like my thigh, bro.
Can put the thigh side of my head with the food them way in America.
Yeah.
But you
know, the only place that I'll say that the food it gets close is probably I'll say New York.
Same for us.
New York has, bro, when I go to New York, I don't play.
There's a straight Ghanaian food.
Yeah. Bro, there's this place in the Bronx. I literally go in the Bronx, bro, get my food, stack it up in the fridge for like 3 days.
So enough for buying no other food.
Yeah.
Yeah, same. So there's a lot of there's Jamaicans all over New York.
Oh, bro.
But I would feel there are a lot of Jamaicans in like Flatbush,
yes,
White Plains,
Flatbush.
all over Brooklyn, Queens.
Yeah.
You know, with the you know this man from 90s. Like, so we all over the place.
What you think about dancehall parties in LA and dancehall parties in New York?
All right, so dancehall parties in LA is terrible. I'm not even going to. It's terrible. It's terrible. It sucks. It's terrible. You know, my brethren can play though.
I love Crooks.
Crooks can
One
play.
One of the best
DJ,
MC,
best MC,
bruh.
Vibes,
everything. Yeah.
Crooks good. The energy over here, I feel like, because if I'm going to be 100% honest, Afrobeats in LA, Afrobeats in LA is controlled, curated, like everything about it.
I see where you go.
Is the Africans are doing it. So, you know, I can go to a Pages party. I can go to a there's two now. I don't want to forget his name because I respect him. I can go to a Tommy Tribe party, you know, and you know I have my Nigerian friends like Uzo, Emeka, Oli. They keep parties as well.
Yeah.
So I know where to go. I feel like in LA, the Jamaican scene, I don't feel like at the top of the level is controlled or curated properly by the Jamaicans that have been here. So I feel like there are a lot of outside influences.
Yes.
Where the dancehall in Jamaica, where the dancehall here is concerned, and there are Jamaicans out here that keep good parties, you know.
Yeah.
You know, like Crazy Chris, you know, Fire Sundays.
I like Fire Sundays.
Exactly.
Yeah, I like Fire Sundays.
But outside of the norm, I don't feel like dancehall here is being represented
it
the
used
perfect
to be
way.
crazy, I think 8 years ago.
That's what I hear.
Yo, Jamaican Gold, man.
Jamaica Gold.
Yeah.
Yeah, people, so I wasn't even here 8 years ago.
It was insane, bro. You can't even get in.
Oh, it was
the line crazy.
Yeah.
Bro, it was right on Hollywood Boulevard, bro.
Pac.
Every Jamaican big artist come through.
To Jamaica Gold.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I miss. I feel like everything is time.
Yeah.
Everything is time.
Because I think I think that time the music was big. You know, dancehall was like.
Dancehall still big though.
It's still big. No. I didn't say that. No. We talking about the like.
I understand what you're saying, but don't try and put you on the spot. Yeah.
No, because it's like, you know, like right now, like Afrobeats is doing its thing, right?
Yeah.
It has its moment. Dancehall had that moment.
Yeah.
But for me,
we had such a long run though.
Yeah. Oh, bro, it was a long run.
The run wasn't. Bro, the run came from like the 90s to like.
Even more than the 90s, the 80s.
The 80s to like 20, I'd say 2010. 2010.
I said 2014.
Yeah, but when I 2014, but I mean the real that run is still being played today. Like the Shonda Paul and the Beanie Man, and I feel like LA is holding on to that piece of dancehall so much.
I think dancehall could have had that push again when coffee came with toast.
Yeah. Yeah.
There was an era around that time. I was like, damn,
They gonna come again.
They need more artists to like.
Yeah.
But then the music that kept coming out was so violent.
Oh, you
It
think
wasn't
so?
sexy. It wasn't sexy.
All right. Hold on, we're gonna go back to the video. But I am here to tell you that this year I am doing a Live Nation Son of an Immigrant tour. And I will be starting in Europe. As you can see, these are the European dates that I have so far, and more will be added. Now, Son of an Immigrant tour is not just locked into Europe alone. I will also be in Canada. I will also be in the US. I will also be in the Caribbean. If you don't see your country, don't worry yourself. Just go to dlelliottjr.com to sign up to request your city. Because trust me, there is so much more dates to be added. But for now, if you're in Europe, London, Netherlands, Belgium, Germany, all of them countries where I see, just go to dlelliottjr.com, buy your ticket, because this tour is different. This is not Problem Child. This is not Live from London. This is Son of an Immigrant. So, trust me, this not go normal. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Go on back and watch the video. I'm done.
Because when you're in the club, right, women love to feel good. People love to feel good.
Yeah.
And when you keep hearing music that's violent, it's not always...
Everybody don't want to hear that.
Yeah, for me, I like listening to that when I'm in the gym, though.
Mm-hmm.
I can
Time
skinny
and
back in the
place.
gym. Yeah. So I feel like they can still make that music, but I feel like missing enough sexiness in the dancehall.
It's very good to hear it from somebody outside of the culture, because it is a thing. I feel like how dancehall music works is whatever is popping home, that is what we're going to play here.
Yeah.
So whatever the nation is consuming mostly, whether, because there's those musics are still being made, but I feel like the Jamaican culture dictates what we want to hear now. And you could be making the nicest music over here, but this is what we're working with.
I think
right
it's the same in Africa too.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's the same in
so
Africa.
maybe Africa is working with feel-good music right now.
Yeah.
And that is what they're going to work with.
Yeah.
Because for me, I love Afrobeats for like a strong 15 minutes. After that, I'm beat out.
Yeah.
Me tired now.
You need like different vibe.
Yeah, me like a variety of music. So like every time I go on Afrobeats party, it's fun, and then me get bored. Because I say, all right then, we just a dance. Like give me a break.
But then
me catch back.
The thing about it, you can meet a girl and you start having a conversation.
So is that way switch it up? That was switched up. But definitely what you say is very important. We not having that sexy.
Yeah. Because, man, I remember when Sean Paul used to make the music for the girls, bro.
Exactly. And it make it easier for you to play.
Yeah.
Because now I feel like I can go to to one of your parties and don't hear one dancer. Because you don't even need to. You can just play straight Afrobeats.
Yeah.
And we can do that at our dancehall parties, but we want to hear some Afro. We are going to mix it up. When you go to a dancehall party, as a dancehall DJ, don't only play dancehall.
Yeah.
We have a little Afrobeats, we have a little Trini, a little hip hop, so we mix it around.
Yeah.
Mix it around. I feel like when I go to an Afrobeats party, I just know, this is what me I hear for the rest of the night.
Well, but if you go to Africa, it's different.
It's more like
they play
Jamaican.
everything.
Mm-hmm.
It's just because I went to when I went to Jamaica, and I went to a couple of clubs and places. I realized Jamaica and Africa, same nightlife.
Yes,
they play everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I feel like in America, when I went in America, you could do the same thing. But I think is when the people coming
for that
because they don't get that often out here. Because here in like LA, you can go to a place every maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You find Afrobeats.
No.
So if I'm coming for that on a
That's what
Saturday
I
night,
want to hear.
that's what I want to hear. But like if you go to Jamaica, if I went to Jamaica, they were playing pop music, bro.
Yeah.
Ghana too.
Yeah, we are playing everything.
I'm like, they play Lady Gaga in the club. I was like, nah, that's just like Ghana.
Everybody at dance. Like, so, you know, middle stand-up comedy. And doing a show in LA, I did my first show in LA. Me personally, completely different from anything I ever experienced, crowd-wise.
Yeah.
When you're playing, do you find it more fun to play in other cities? Is the African LA crowd like bougie?
Very bougie.
Yeah. What
Very
is it
bougie.
about the city?
I think it depends on, for me, like my crowd in LA, they dance, right?
Yeah.
Because they know when it comes, it's about you.
Straight dancing.
You're gonna dance, right? So, but it's not the same energy I'll get in DC or like Chicago. Chicago wild, bro.
Oh, they just dance.
Bro, they just danced. Chicago, Seattle, DC, New York. New York is a little bougie too.
New York?
New York is a little bougie. Yeah, because, you know, New York is like, I always say New York is like, it's like going to a Mexican house. They always eat like tacos. They always eat the same food. So New York, because there's so many Africans there's so many African clubs or so many clubs.
So they used to it.
They play every day. Like they get Afrobeats every day.
So they don't even want to hear Afrobeats all the time.
So, yeah, or something like they're not even impressed. They're like, yeah, what's new? What else? You know? So, and like they have a different style of DJing there. So whenever I go there, I kind of like peep. I know the style of the way the DJs juggle the
you
tunes.
have to study.
Yeah,
Study.
yeah. So when I go there, I adjust, and then I put my own twist on it, you know, and make sure that, you know, they still know that I'm doing something different. But because sometimes they want the music fast, and they want you to change the song really fast. Every 30 seconds you have to play new songs.
Yeah.
You know?
Perfect example. So in Florida, if you go to Florida, the music, the DJ it's super similar to Jamaica. The Jamaican DJs, the DJ completely different. And there are certain songs that will work in LA that won't go as far in Florida. So just like, so here, I am going to hear the Thunderpal, well, I don't really care, and then we hear the Zagaza, and then so we go on to that. That era works way more here.
Yes.
When I go to Florida, they want to hear what is playing in Jamaica.
No. Yeah.
Is that what you mean when you talk about like?
Yes. That's how it is. But some cities, because some cities people are still behind.
Yeah.
Some cities, some people are like, they know what's happening now.
No. Yeah.
So you have to mix it up, and you have to have a good balance of both.
Yeah.
You know, and also like you have to know the time when to play and when not to play. Yeah.
Like, yo, I remember. Let me tell you which song I feel like you guys kill. So you see that Wizkid, you see during the pandemic era was the golden era of Afrobeats.
I tell people all the time. Yeah,
You see that 2020 August to like 2021 May or December was like the Afrobeats era where that was the only thing you don't need no other but I say, yo, Jesus Christ, all right, me get it. Every 2 seconds me go down the street.
Yeah.
Is that one
and that
song. Last, oh God.
Oh my God,
I don't like the song now. Burna Boy, big up and say, I don't want to hear it anymore. That is when you know a song is good enough.
Yeah.
When you finish it.
Yeah. And they play like it's nothing.
Even though.
Yeah.
All right, so, you know, like, I feel like is a staple that starts a party now.
Yeah.
Like the early hours, like when the party is about to get nice, that is when play. It's like, all right, now the party is about to pick up.
Yeah.
Right, the You know,
yeah.
Like anytime I hear like I say, all right, I'm gonna get a drink now because the party about to start.
Yeah.
So I say, all right, it's supposed to get fun now. But just to see how Afrobeats doing like arenas and 7, 8, 9 Afrobeats artists just popping out out of virtually nowhere. You say Burna Boy has been around forever.
Forever, ever, bro.
Davido, Wizkid. One of my favorite right now is Asake.
Oh man, that man is.
Yeah.
He's having fun right now.
Yeah, I still listening to like Terminator.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Cause
He's a gallus too.
Him have the look. I tell you, bro, there is a certain swag and look.
I love that man, bro.
To somebody.
Yeah, that man cool as hell.
See, there is a certain swag about how them move.
Yeah.
That just all right then, yeah.
It attracts the women.
Yeah. Outside of the money.
Money, yeah.
Outside of the money, I just feel like if Asake or Burna Boy, Wizkid have it too, you know.
Yeah, no, Wizkid got it.
Wizkid have it too.
Wizkid
Look the most reserved out of all of them.
All of them, yeah. And then Rema also got that. Rema also got that too.
Yeah, Rema look like him in a like some free man era right now where Rema is like, I'm doing anything I want to do.
Yeah.
Yeah. I remember when Rema just come up when he was coming to LA and doing the Roxy.
I was there. I played.
Yeah.
I DJed for him.
Yeah, him gone.
Yeah.
No, him I feel like there's so much, like even when what's that girl name, that the DJ girl from South Africa?
Uncle Waffles.
Uncle Waffles.
She blew up during like the pandemic.
Yeah, everybody's like, yo, Uncle Waffles is coming. I said, John, no dancer. Sorry. Gotta listen to some Uncle Waffles.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I feel like DJs, Afrobeats DJs, bring something that we have never seen before. With so Jamaican DJs, we are known for like, hey girl, skin out. you know, we do a talking, but like I feel like Afrobeats DJ, we don't have like this cool thing. Like this, yo, like me cool right now, watch a style like tum tum and just dress back and like, and it's like, it's more like the crowd. Uno control every single thing that is taking place in the crowd.
No, but the East Coast is different.
Oh, probably I never see that.
They talk just like the Jamaicans. They're on the mic consistently.
Oh, see, I never even know
because they took that style from the Jamaicans and from like hip hop.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, like, New York and the East Coast, because so many cultures are there. So they take a little bit of that influence of hip hop and dancehall.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So they blended it with the Afrobeats. It's crazy.
That's sick.
Yeah. Even if they do that in Houston, Dallas, even in Africa, they do that.
7 billion Africans in Texas alone.
Bro, I love that place, bro. I love Texas.
Yeah, I feel like every other person I meet in Texas is an African.
Bro,
everywhere. And Atlanta.
Yeah, Atlanta. But right now in Africa, they do that Jamaican thing, bro. They talk on the mic the whole time.
Sometimes it can be annoying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I want to hear the music, bro.
Yeah. Sometimes DJs in Jamaica, we don't give you a chance. Like the whole song we play, but we are going to get out what we want to say. I don't care if it's the best part of the song. We will repeat it 70 million times. Yeah. So,
but like, I love sometimes what they say on the mic, bro.
Yeah.
You just like.
Yeah. Every Jamaican is a comedian. You know?
Yeah. I learned that when I went to Jamaica.
Every single Jamaican
even bro,
is a comedian.
my like the driver that picked me up from the airport, I was like, yo, this man funny as hell.
Every single. Yeah. And I feel like as a people, we're just joyful. We just find a way to make everything funny. Yeah. Regardless of our situation, whether it be stress, poverty, whatever way I go through, I feel like fun, like laughter is the most important thing. Well, woman first, then we laugh. Yeah. Woman up as well. And then
money.
Boy, some of them Jamaican man, some of the time not even money they up front. but yeah, in a order.
Yeah.
Money and woman are always a fight.
Yeah. But me, I choose money first.
And woman I win one at a time.
Yeah.
But if you choose money, woman choose you.
Yeah.
So you will survive.
Yeah.
But me like that. And there is one thing that I think we have in common that we don't touch about in the African Caribbean sphere is immigration.
Yes.
Now, in Jamaica, we have a lot of people that, you know, we move, come here, and, you know, I want to know, is it the same trajectory where it's like we would come here, you come here on a visitor's visa or school or however you come here,
And don't go back.
and you just don't go
Yeah.
back, and then you figure out how to
You're-
handle your situation.
Yeah, man. I mean, you know, we all, I believe we all probably know somebody who probably came here.
Exactly.
Yeah,
It's natural.
It's natural. But I think this world, I think people should be able to move freely. But also too, I get why people shouldn't move freely because of crime.
Yeah.
Yeah. So crime is the number one thing why they don't let. That's why you have immigration restrictions. But yeah, bro, people coming from Africa all the time and don't even go back. I know people who have been here for 20 years and they still haven't got their papers, bro.
I feel like that is normal in my culture as well.
But I'm like, bro, like so you couldn't find somebody to get married to?
It's something. Just
Something,
figure
bro,
out something.
You couldn't do anything, bro. Like, bro. But you know, I know people who actually also will go through different routes just to get here.
Yeah.
Without the visa. They'll go to different countries, get on a boat.
Get on a boat.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, then they come to America.
Trust me, it's the same. It's the same thing.
Okay,
Whether
well.
with some people try go Bahamas, come
some
across
goes
for a
as far as
speedboat. Some
Yeah.
people try go through Mexico.
Yes.
You know, however
However it is, get it how you want it, bro.
to make it here. The aim is
To get here.
to get here
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then figure it out while I get here. So, for instance, for me, my immigration journey was kind of simple. The first visa I got to come to the States was actually a work visa. But when my work visa expired, I met my father. And then my father was a US citizen. And then he filed for me. So I never really have like a rough or a hectic
Same
way
here,
to
yeah.
come here. So like you came here when you were younger, right?
I came when I was young in high school. My mom brought me out here.
Okay.
And already since I was already young, I became a citizen right away.
Yeah, so it
Yeah,
makes sense.
makes sense,
If
yeah.
you figure it out. I feel like you will, in our culture, some of the time you will have some people that don't make no effort, you know, live. I feel like some people, the goal is just to get here
And that's it.
and then that's it. I don't
No.
care about anything else.
Bro, but you gotta get your status right.
Yeah.
Because right now Trump not playing.
Yeah, no, Jesus Christ. And even things like you having, you know, as being a citizen here and you can go to Ghana and come back. You can go, you know, we can travel.
We can travel, yeah.
We have the same rights. But at the same time, we know can be like, I am a DJ. I am going to now have this massive party and have this. How many cities you tour last year?
We did 32.
32 cities.
Yeah.
You can just tour freely and make that money and file the tax. And now
Yeah.
you can, now if you find a girl in a Ghana, you can bring her over.
wow,
or you
yeah.
can, you know, well, your mother here already, but if you have like any relatives or things like that, you know, so for make that change, and me feel like we have so much things in common that even with immigration is the same route. It's like we come here and we say, all right, we need to find somebody and get married to. But I don't feel like that is something that will ever like not happen, if we're a bit honest.
Yeah.
But for instance, I feel like though Africans have way more places that they want to go. For instance, Europe is
Yeah.
like
Africans is, oh my God.
yeah. I'm not. Do you guys need a visa to like visit France or places like
Yeah,
that?
we do, yeah.
Well, it must be easier because that is all. I feel like I see more Africans.
It's easier to go to Europe to get to a visa to Europe than to come to America.
Oh, it's easier.
Yeah.
Yeah, because when I go to like France and them places,
They're everywhere, bro.
yeah. So there are a lot more Africans in Europe,
than America, yeah.
But do you guys look on Europe as being a more sought after place, or you guys look on America?
I feel like America economy is probably better than the Europe economy.
Yeah, I feel like America is faster. I feel like
Yeah.
Europe is like more chill.
Yeah.
No sun.
But the only fast place I'll probably say in Europe is probably Paris and London.
Yeah.
Yeah. But like I heard it's hard to live in London.
London is fun. The city is fun.
It's fun, yeah, but
The weather, I think, is terrible.
I heard in the summer it can rain anytime.
Yeah, but at least in the summer they have sun. without the summer, there's like no sun there, but the parties there.
Bro, crazy. I heard, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, I see that every time on my social media. I'm like, damn, bro.
Bro, trust me, you need to go London.
Oh no, I've been one time, bro.
Oh.
I need to go again. But I was only there for a few hours.
Oh, it's like
Yeah.
like a layover.
Like a
time.
layover. So I did like one night in the club. I was
Yeah.
like, damn,
It's nice.
bro.
Yeah. Like Europe on a whole is different. I feel like even when I meet African Europeans, they're much different from the Africans that I meet in America.
Really? Tell me about it.
So like when I go France, the Africans me meet in France, well, physically them look taller.
Bro, that they're all from Senegal and all these, yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
So them, all of them look taller.
Dark skinned.
Black.
Yeah.
We call it dark skin, but them, for them black look super like.
Yeah, bro, they're from Gambia, Senegal, all those places, yep.
Yeah, and then they're like, oh, so there's like different types of black people.
Definitely, yes.
Yeah, some black people look Chinese.
Yep.
Some black people just, the man them are like 6'6", 6'7".
Yeah, huge.
Big,
yeah.
I say, them man could have never be like slaves. And some of them more those, like some of them, so like you have a more outgoing personality. I feel like the ones that I met in Paris, they're like more quiet. Yeah, they don't really, yeah. They're not as friendly, but they're not mean enough.
But I heard in Paris, they're going to rob you too.
They're going to rob you. They will. I was there during the Olympics. They will rob you.
Yeah, that's what I heard, yeah.
Yeah, they will rob you, but the robbing is not up front.
Yeah.
So like, they probably will like run and grab your phone.
And
run off.
So what if my phone is locked? You just going to sell it for parts?
Yeah. Must. But you look at that. So I feel like, in Jamaica,
yeah,
you will get your phone robbed. Here, you see how we walk around with the phone in our hand and
happy and
you will get robbed.
In Jamaica, it was my pocket the whole time.
Yeah, don't take it out. But the thing is, if you don't speak, we're going to think you're Jamaican.
Yeah.
You have the look.
Yeah.
You have the look. So for instance, if I am walking the streets of Ghana right now and don't say anything out of my mouth.
You Ghanaian.
So you guys wouldn't.
Nope.
But guess what we do though? So in Jamaica, we can tell if a person is not Jamaican by the smell.
Same in Ghana. That's crazy.
Yeah.
No, but you know what's crazy too? Sometimes just by the way you walk. Just your whole demeanor. Yeah. They be like, nah, he not from. Even me, like whenever I go home, they're like, nah, this man he just come from Yankee right now.
Yeah, they say Yankee.
Yeah, he's like, nah, he's not from here, bro.
They're
like skin tone, everything different.
Yeah, so like when I go to Jamaica, if I take a picture of Jamaica now, I can, without you seeing anything significant background, we can be like,
Nah, man, them just come from.
Yeah, a brother I come from foreign. So in Ghana, it's the same thing.
Same thing, yeah. They could tell, bro.
You see, the thing is, I haven't been back home now in almost 6 years. Sometimes I want to have me stay with too long.
6 years?
Yeah.
Sheesh.
And I always feel like if I go Jamaica right now, I don't want to look like a foreigner. I feel like I'm supposed to can just fit in.
But you know what I do when I go?
What you do?
I wear my flip-flops.
Yeah,
I
try dress down.
Dress down. Blend right in.
And but do they still notice it though?
They do, maybe because of the interaction.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're like, nah, this man got money.
Oh, I don't catch you. Don't say, oh no, this man has some money.
This man has some money. Yeah, because I ain't never see you at this quarter before. I never see you bought food a year before.
Never. You knew.
You knew.
So like, do you have a thick Ghanaian accent?
Oh yeah.
Oh, so when you like, me can hear it?
Up. Yeah. Oh yeah. Sisiano Masisano.
Oh, so that is Nigerian.
That's Ghana.
That's Ghanaian.
Yeah.
Oh, so do they differentiate your Ghanaian accent in comparison to theirs?
Oh no, I'll go street with it.
Oh, so them can't pick it up.
No.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Because I'll say something. I'll try to speak as Ghanaian as possible. Yeah.
So that them not charge
They're
more.
not charge more. Yeah. Because yo, bro, it's everywhere, bro.
Yeah.
Once they hear something. They're like, nah.
No, some.
They be like, you be like, how much is this? They're like as soon as you said how much is this, then they know they're like, nah, this motherfucker's not here. He's not from here.
Yeah, so no.
He's from Ghana, but he doesn't live here.
Yeah.
They be like, $40.
US?
No, I'm just saying like anything.
Oh, yeah.
Let's say it costs $10, like $40. Then you be like, you look at the thing, you're like, nah, bro. You like, nah, I'm out of here. But like, if you fall for it, it's over.
Yeah, because now you're going to be the $40 man. Yeah, same thing in Jamaica.
Yeah,
you have to make sure that your accent is on point because you are going to get charged.
Yeah.
And they might still charge you. Like for me, a lot of Jamaicans know me. So so I don't know if I am going to get the foreign price or me I gonna get like sometime even a discount.
I hit him with the shades, bro.
So they can't even know.
You know, yeah.
So just cover
put on the cap, put on the shades, be like, yo, and just be mean.
Oh, same thing then. I should just be mean.
Yeah.
So, how is the like crime in Ghana though?
Oh, very low crime rate.
Amazing.
Yeah. What about Jamaica?
No, not very low at all. I feel like every year we try to beat the next year.
Yeah, and how's the scamming in Jamaica?
We need to get into that, you know. But on the topic of crime first, let me break down crime in Jamaica. I feel like crime is bad, and we are working on eradicating it out.
Yeah.
Not all Jamaicans are criminals.
Of course.
Yeah,
of
but
course.
when I say that, I mean there's little pockets of violence in the majority of the population is straight like Ghana.
Yeah.
Calm, collective, just want to have fun, just want to party. It's just that the bad apples that we have are bad apples. Super bad. So it's like them will poison the whole country and give like a bad name. But at the same time, some of the time, the culture can perceive it as being cool. So in Jamaica, literally, crime is a part of our culture.
Damn. Because I hear it in the music.
Yeah, crime.
So is there like gangs?
Yeah.
So there's gangs of rivals and everything.
Yeah, we have gangs and we have communities. Like we have separate like garrisons. So
Wow.
I don't know how it is in like Ghana.
Oh,
but
Ghana, there's no gangs, bro.
okay, well in Jamaica, you can be a famous bad man.
Yeah, I heard.
So just like in America where you have like a famous artist, in
Yeah.
Jamaica we have famous
Because
bad man.
there was a one guy he's the one that did
Dodos.
yeah, and then another one that did all like the concerts, a yearly concert. What's the name?
Well, that Dodos.
That's him?
Yeah,
That's him,
Christopher
okay.
Cook.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have plenty. Christopher Cook, Dodos. Like a bad man in Jamaica are celebrities.
I heard. That's what I heard.
Yeah. So it's like it's a bad culture, but badness is a part of the culture. Like growing up, like you would see like a bad man die, and if he's dead, he'd have like the biggest funeral. He'd have like the best songs about him. You would see murals of him
That's
on the
crazy.
walls. So you would be driving through the garrisons and you would see like a photo. Oh, Shotty Mark,
Damn.
Machine Man, like we all have a name. You know, there's always a name like Nuno Post, Pilot. We are going to like.
Post is crazy.
What's that?
No post.
Bad man that year.
Yeah.
Serious bad man.
Damn.
But there is a link between badness in a Jamaica culture
Yeah.
that I feel like won't go anywhere. And I don't think it's something we
So
can
it's kind of like in Shutters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is. So in Jamaica, badness is directly linked with the culture and politics.
Oh
So
shit.
it's hand in hand.
That's crazy.
Politics, badness, and the people is like it's all interlinked. So the politicians need the bad man them. Bad man them need the politician them, and the people love the bad man them. So in order for the politicians to reach the people, they need to contact the bad man them.
Damn.
So you guys have like chiefs.
Yeah.
We
You guys have the bad man.
we have dons. This is the perfect. So like in every community, you guys would have. That's why I said Jamaica, we and Africans are so we're so the same.
Yeah.
Because you guys would have 7 million chiefs.
Yeah.
In Jamaica, we have 7 million dons.
Man.
Yeah, we call them don. So you guys would have 7, 8 chiefs, and for you would see our chiefs them like a Dodos, Jim Brown, Shotty Mark, and them, Dog Pa, Pilot, Black Man. We have dons. Few chief, and in order for the politicians to get any votes or anything to be done in these communities, you have to go to the don them. And then the don them call all the shots. So it's almost the same thing. We just get a different word. Every single community that is a garrison in Jamaica has a don.
Damn.
And that don have soldiers.
The soldiers also got soldiers.
And the soldier them have soldiers.
That's crazy.
And now, with all of that being said, we see now the resurgence of scamming. Yeah. Where is scamming a big thing in Ghana?
Oh, big thing in Ghana, bro. Even in America, the Ghanaians are here scamming.
Do you feel like the Nigerians get too much of the blame?
Yes. I mean, come on.
Was it started there?
Yeah, but check it out though. If you look at, so they came out with the top 10 countries that scam. Nigeria was number 1.
Had to.
They were number 1.
They weren't number 1?
They were number 1.
Oh.
And it goes, I think, in India or like Russia.
India and Pakistan and Russia.
Turkey and yeah.
Was Ghana in the top 10?
No.
And Jamaica wasn't in the top 10 either. So definitely Ghana
we're doing something wrong. Ghana doing something wrong.
Yeah. Same thing for Jamaica.
Yeah.
Scamming has become a part of the culture.
I saw when I was out there. I was peeping a lot.
Yeah, but the thing is, majority of the times you would think people are scamming. They're not really scamming. They're singing about it because it's cool.
Yeah, it's
cool
part of culture.
It's cool to portray yourself as a scammer. So like
the girlies,
Jamaica we say you're banging line. Yeah, or a chop, because it's the same. It's like calling, oh hey, you've won blah blah, you've won $1 million. Blah blah. It's not like the African. We're like, I'm an African prince and I am lost, but I will give you this amount of money if you. How did that work,
bro? Even that one is just like the surface level, bro.
Same thing,
bro. There is this Nigerian man sold a company a whole airport.
Yeah, I know that one,
bro. How can you get scammed? Bro, how can you scam somebody to buy a whole airport?
I feel like Africans have to be the smartest people in the world to pull that off.
Bro.
To sell an airport.
Bro.
But in Jamaica, they used to sell properties.
Oh, yeah. Same in Ghana.
Yeah.
They'll sell you a land and they sell the land to like 10 different people.
No, it's war if you find out who the actual land is.
And now like the government just take over the land and that's it.
So you lose your money.
You lose your money. I know a few people that happened to them. I know people, they bought the land and they want to go find out the land has been sold to like 10 other people.
I have heard of stories in Jamaica where someone would come to buy a house, meet a realtor, tour the house, sign all the papers for the house, and it's not their house. It's the owner of the house just turn up like, yo, wagwan.
Damn. That's crazy. That I never heard
Listen
that one
to me.
before.
We are the same people.
Yeah.
No, I always every time I encounter an African and sit and like go in depth culturally and how we perceive America, because you look at America as like the land of opportunity.
Definitely. It
is. And the whole aim of America for me, is to come here and get as much things as I can here and then invest the money back where I come from.
Yeah.
It's the same thing.
Same thing.
You think you're going to move back to Ghana one day?
Yeah, soon, actually.
Soon?
Yeah.
That quick though. Me and you like the same age, Pages.
Yeah, but still.
They say, yeah, you make enough money now. You're good
No,
enough
but
now.
I feel like there's a lot of work to be done at
Mhm.
home. Yeah.
Like the rebuilding Africa and everything.
Yeah.
So do you like, cause you know, like for us, you know, Marcus Garvey, you know, start a lot of this back to
Definitely.
Africa movement and
Yeah.
stuff like that. You guys read about him in Ghana?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No, but we didn't read about him in Ghana, but I read about him
Oh, yeah.
because I was interested. Yeah.
Because, you know, we've always, if you listen to some of
The reggae
music,
oh yeah.
it's all about going back to Africa. You know?
Yeah.
And trust me, I feel like any black person outside of Africa to go to Africa is a eye-opening experience.
Bro.
It's something, it's a feeling that I cannot explain to somebody.
You just have to go. You just have to go.
You just have to go.
Yeah.
And then because you have already been in Africa, so there is a difference where you grew up there.
Yeah.
Feel like you're from there. Like for me, I go back to Jamaica, I feel like I am from Jamaica.
Yeah.
But something about coming off that plane in Africa and just seeing
everybody look just like you.
Everybody look just like me. And even though I might not be able to understand what they're saying, they don't treat me different.
It's different, yep.
And then being Jamaican in Africa is like the coolest thing.
Oh, bro. Yo.
Yeah.
Bro, it's like man, like the girls love the accent. I know they do.
Yeah, the girl them love the Jamaican accent.
Oh man, they do. I know.
Yeah.
I know because one of my homies just went like a few months ago, and he was telling me, like, yo, bro, I just have to be myself, bro.
Yeah, just go talk, just go talk Jamaican.
Yeah.
Yeah, like them when I go Ghana, like I can go Ghana and just speak 100% Jamaican.
And still they still understand you.
Yeah, and dancehall music play in Ghana.
Ghana, yeah.
Like a lot.
Bro, a lot, bro. A lot. Bro, you'd be surprised the amount of dancehall influence that's in Ghana. It's insane, bro.
I never know that so many Ghanaians even follow me.
Bro. Oh, bro, they love Jamaica. Like, bro, if you go to Ghana, at least every street there's a Jamaican flag.
So you think it's Jamaicans there putting it up?
No, Ghanaians putting it up.
Because, you know, we don't need a visa. There has been a thing between like the Ghana government where we can like go there.
Yeah. Bro, the flag is painted on the walls. Bob Marley faces everywhere. Vybz Kartel faces everywhere. Any Jamaican artist you can think about, their faces everywhere on the walls. Painted, flags everywhere, bro.
Trust me.
I think that's the only Caribbean country that has the flags all over Africa.
Is it Jamaica?
Yeah.
Don't make...
No, but you guys have the influence.
Our Trinidad here, that you know.
But it's a factor, bro. Everywhere in the world, there's a Jamaican influence there. You see a flag there, something.
Yeah. Because we're proud.
Yeah.
We're very proud people.
Yeah.
And because, all right, if I should find two countries to compare out to Africa, I feel like Jamaica is the Nigeria of the Caribbean.
Okay, I can see that.
Yeah. Because I feel like outside of Ghana, because the slaves came from Nigeria and Ghana.
Yeah.
I can see where we have so much similarities with
definitely.
Nigerians.
Oh, definitely.
With like the Igbos.
Yeah.
How they like start 70 million business and we're going to figure out something.
Something out, yeah.
We're going to like braggadocious or, you know? I feel like that is like, and then Ghana would have been like Trinidad.
Yeah, but no, I would say Ghana is more like Belize. I don't know why.
Belize. No, I wouldn't even. Belize. Because you know, Belize is a part of South America.
I know, but Ghana is
but
like
it's really
Belize.
Caribbean.
But Ghana is like Belize.
Like really in terms of like culturally?
Culturally, everything.
I never know that.
And Ghana is just like Jamaica too. Same. But when you say Nigeria, I said, oh, they're cool, but...
No, when I say like Nigeria, me I talk about the attitude, you know.
That's what I'm saying. That when you go to Ghana, right? The places that I told you that Jamaicans come from, just go there. It would change your perspective.
We're gonna be like, yo, okay then, this definitely.
Bro, they don't take no bullshit. They hustle everything, bro.
Yeah.
You're gonna be like, oh yeah, these are Jamaicans.
Definitely. My type of people.
Yeah.
So do you?
They're like tough, but those people. But you're right though about the Nigerian thing, because those people they migrated from Nigeria to Ghana like centuries ago.
Oh, so even that.
Yeah.
So what was the Nigeria before? Not Nigeria, Ghana. What was the name of Ghana? Because I realized that the Europeans kind of like break up the lands into borders.
Into borders and
What
stuff.
was it before that? Was it just the tribes? Wasn't it a country before?
It wasn't a country.
No,
It was
what
just
was it?
like a region, but it didn't have a name. I don't think it had names, but I think before you had it was like empires.
Okay.
Yeah, because you have the Mali Empire, and Mali Empire is the biggest empire.
Yeah, that it spread out.
Yeah, Mansa Musa.
Mm-hmm.
So most of West Africans come from that empire.
Oh, so
the Mali
so
Empire.
Mansa Musa was actually one time like an empire that spread across all of Africa?
Yeah, so the Mali Empire, Mansa Musa was like,
The richest man in the world.
he's still the richest man in the world.
How did he die? Did he die of
I
like
don't
old
know.
age?
I don't know.
Because I
Actually.
always hear this Mansa Musa being this richest man.
Bro, he has so much money, he has to give money to other empires and other people and tribes so that they could build their own wealth.
That's crazy.
Yeah. And if whenever you get a chance, you should look into like,
That man need a movie.
bro, there's a show on him.
What's the name of the show?
It's called Mansa Musa. Look it up.
I never know him have a show. I feel like
It's
Mansa
a show.
Musa deserves
But
like a movie.
I don't know if they actually put in real facts in there.
Yeah.
I saw it one time and I was like, let me turn it off. Let me turn this off.
Oh, you don't want the culture to represent a certain way. We very picky like that.
Yeah. I was like, this is not what I read.
Oh.
Yeah, so let me just
Sometimes, you see, the thing is, one of the worst feelings is when people from other cultures tell our story because they're doing it in like their way.
Yeah, but
Sometimes
I
it
need to
turn
look
it
up
off.
like the writer, whoever wrote it. Maybe I don't know. Maybe whoever wrote it is African. I don't know. But,
Yeah.
but like I like the settings they had though. It really felt real.
Yeah.
It felt real. I liked it. But I think when I saw one episode, I was like, yeah. What was the name? It's in the show. That comedian from Atlanta.
Is African comedian?
No, African comedian.
Oh, what's his name?
He's a very funny comedian. Fuck. Man, Atlanta got too many of them.
Atlanta have a lot of comedians.
Bro.
So, because I don't even know where to start, actually.
Bro, yeah.
There's Desi Banks. There's a lot of
Not
them.
Desi. Keep going.
Let me see. Desi Banks. There is like all the cast from Wilding Out, basically. Chico Bean.
Not any of them from Wildin' Out. He used to do that girl from there's one girl from Wildin' Out that they used to tease a lot that she looked like a man. She used to do skits with that guy.
Oh, I just remembered his name and it left me. No, not Mike Epps. He had he just had a series.
Yes.
He just had a special on Netflix too.
Yes.
What's his name?
Huh?
Country Wayne.
He's on there.
Country Wayne.
Country Wayne is on that show.
Oh, he's in it?
He's in it.
Yeah, I want to watch that.
You need to watch it. I feel like I want to finish it because of him. Because he's like one of my favorite comedians. Yeah. He's stupid, bro. That man got rich. Oh my God.
Yeah, he got rich off just normal stuff. That's the beauty of America. I'm sure in Ghana, if I grew up, if I told my grandmother that, hey, I am going to be just messing around on my phone every day and sitting posting, they look, if you're not a doctor, a lawyer, it's not the same.
Bro, just like my mom.
Yeah.
I told my mom I want to be a DJ. She look at me crazy.
Right now, she's like, my son is a DJ.
Bro.
Look at my son. My son is a DJ.
She go to work and show all her friends. I'm like, yeah.
See, at least. But it took long, right?
Bro.
Because I'm sure she probably never agreed. When you said, yo, mom, I'm going to drop out of college to DJ.
I had to leave the house because of that.
I know.
I dropped out of school.
Yeah, and she was like, you can't stay here.
No, it wasn't even that. She didn't even, like, when I dropped out, I was like, yo, I don't want to do this anymore. I just want to just do music. They didn't have it. So I was like, I'm the one that left. I was like, yeah, I can't do it. Because every day, when you go back to school? When you go back to school? I'm like, oh, bro. Like,
can't do this.
Yeah. Let me get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, bro, that's the thing. I feel like we have to chase our dreams.
Yeah.
And as Africans, still my African, I feel like we have a like a supercharged push the moment we come into like a
Bruh.
first world economy.
Bruh, we gotta thrive.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there's a something about
Yeah.
way where it's like we come here and we say it's like automatically we're like, let's
Yeah.
go.
Because because I mean, and I know it's probably the same in Jamaica, because like there's not a lot of opportunities. So once you get here, you're like, oh, these people they're not taking advantage of this, they're taking advantage of that. Oh,
Alright,
I can
I'ma
do
do
this,
this,
I can
I'ma do
do
this,
that,
I'ma
I'm gonna
do-
do that. Yeah,
I'm gonna do all of it.
all of it. Yeah,
Mhm. And sometimes it cause we might not see eye to eye with some of the people that come here, but I feel like after a while we understand everything and everybody, and we understand how America work, and I feel like maybe the people in Ghana might feel the same way, but people don't understand how hard it is here.
bruh.
People don't understand
Bro,
that.
it's a bumpy road, bro.
Yeah,
It's a very bumpy road because, bro, like sometimes it's like you want things to work for you a certain way and it's not working. It's just like there's so much in America. I feel like it's so many like hurdles you need to go through to like get to where you need to go. And I
Here.
feel like it's like that everywhere, but like in America, I feel like it's different out here,
it's 7 million hurdles,
bro. Because you have like you have 100,000 of people like me trying to do the same thing I'm trying to do.
Yeah, no, it's not. No, it's not a town of 100.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, but like
Yeah. No, it's because there's 300 million
Million
people,
people,
here.
yeah.
It's just that if we can get 0.5% of that 300 million, we'll be good. That's the only difference.
Yeah.
What's the population of Ghana?
Probably like 50, 60 million.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
The population of Jamaica is just like 3 million.
God damn.
Just 3 million of us.
Do you know of
and we have that influence.
of Nigeria?
Nigeria, the last time I checked, it was 170 something
Bro,
million.
there's so many of them, bro. God damn.
and they're everywhere.
Bro, you go on a rock, you see a Nigerian.
How many times have people like mistaken you for a Nigerian?
Oh, all the time, bro. All the time.
And you're like, well, yeah, I'm actually
Ghanaian. I'm
Ghanaian.
like, yeah, we the same people, so it's okay.
Yeah.
But I feel like, I wish, for example, like, when you go to when you're in America and you go to New York or you go to like anywhere in America, everybody says I'm American. They don't say, oh, I'm a New Yorker or I'm a this.
Yeah,
and
they
that. They
say,
start
I'm
with
American.
America first, right? But in Africa, it's because they've kind of like
Segregated a lot.
exactly. So everybody like, I wish it wasn't like that in Africa.
You wish everybody in Africa was African?
Because, bro, like, even just to travel to certain African countries, you need a visa. Now,
So you need to.
bro,
you need say you live in Ghana. Do you need a visa to go to like South Africa?
not anymore. It just started like last year, like towards the end of last year, bro. And it has been like that for years, bro.
I never knew.
It was the first time they ever did the visa free. They just started last year, bro.
You know what's gonna happen though?
What?
The moment people from other countries realize that you don't need a visa in Africa, people are going to move everywhere. People are just going to take up and move.
Right now, it's happening everywhere. Every country in Africa right now,
It's being mixed.
now everybody's like, all the other presidents like no visa, because what was happening was that the foreign powers coming from America
And then border
and then France, they were the one that put those restrictions on them. I'm like, but we Africans don't come to America to tell them that you can't do this, you can't do that. Or
Yeah.
even, you think an African country can come to America and have a military base here?
No.
But they do there.
Yeah. Understood.
So now they're all kicking them out.
And then now freedom of movement for Africans.
It's happening right now. That's what I'm saying, bro. You need to pay.
See
Bro.
trust me, it's not. I'm not the only. Trust me, we are really out of the loop.
Bro, for me, like, I try not to like post too much about it or like talk about it. But like when I meet people, I just try to educate them like, yo, there's a revolution going in Africa and it's powerful. And it's the people, the guy leading it, there's 3 countries leading it, right?
Yeah.
And what they did is that they kick out all the foreign influence in the country, the military base, everything is shut everything down. Any foreign company. And now what they're doing is everything has to be done in the country. bro, right now some countries in Africans they're making their own weapons.
Or like guns and things like
Bro,
that.
yes.
We should be Africa. We should be able to can do that.
Exactly. That's what I'm
For
saying.
years
It
now.
exactly.
It should be, and we
Because of all the restrictions
everybody have.
Yeah.
And Nigeria have one Nigerian have 5 degrees. There's
So like, bro, like
it's not like we're not smart.
Like what's stopping them? So I'm saying, but it's also to like the deals that were signed back in the days because all the president and leaders were all greedy.
Yeah.
Right?
So,
They would just think for themselves. So now there's now like the youth is speaking and now things are changing. And Burkina Faso, what they're setting, like they're setting a trend where now the African presidents know that if they don't follow along what this guy is doing,
yeah,
there's gonna be a revolution happening in every African
in their country.
Yes, because the guy, guess how old he is? Only 34 years old.
Oh, he's young,
Bro.
Oh, so he has a long time left.
He is, bro. He doesn't want to be president. He wanted to leave, but he's just like the countries keep telling him, no, we want you as president. We don't want you to leave, bro. This man goes into every country with a gun on him. He flies everywhere with a gun on him. He said he doesn't trust anybody.
He has to.
Yeah.
Because that's normally, there's always like that one person that rises up like this.
And his own people come for him.
And then his own people get
It
him
happens
out.
in every country. But bro, right now, the way the man is moving, like how he's building the country, like how they built Singapore. Bro,
Oh, yeah.
so fast, bro. Everything is so fast, bro. He has like bro, every day there's new factories being built, hospitals. It's like,
Did you know
he's building so
Singapore?
fast.
Did you know that Singapore was like modeled off Jamaica? In
Really?
this, like economic wise,
Really? I
and
didn't
then
know
they
that.
like shut up
Really?
because you know a lot of corruption happened. You know that stopped. But Singapore and Jamaica, we at one point it was similar. It was like literally mirrored.
Wow.
And then, you know, things changed with corruption. So like during Jamaica was one of the wealthiest countries in the Caribbean and in the Western Hemisphere up until we had to borrow money from the IMF like in the 80s. And then when we started
man.
borrow money from IMF,
In the World Bank, that's when
Yeah.
you know that's when you know.
everything starts as like, no, we indebted to them and they tell us this is the amount of schools you can build. This is the so they kind of control our economy. But we have CARICOM, and I'm surprised that wasn't an African thing. So in Jamaica, once I have a passport and my passport is CARICOM, I can travel to
Any Caribbean country.
any Caribbean country. So that wasn't a thing. So Africa used to
It
be
was
like,
never,
yo,
you need to go get a visa, bro.
oh, you needed to get a visa.
Bro, it was so bad. But now they're easing off everything because they're realizing that it's not helping the economy.
The
in
freedom
Africa.
of movement is very important.
It's bro, because you have to trade, you have to do business, you have to do things, bro. And like the more people are visiting each other's country, the economy is getting better everywhere.
And you
right?
know how hard it, like what I know. So like me having a Jamaican passport makes it easy for me to go to Africa.
Yeah.
When I'm, say a Black American here who's just a US citizen and nothing else, they have to get like 7 injections and this and that, and that can like stop them. When I go Africa, they're like, oh, you need to get this, you need to get this shot and this shot. And I just show like my Jamaican passport and they're like, oh no, you don't need it.
But it's all business too though.
For money. Yeah, it's always somebody's trying to scheme something now for the
Bro,
top.
the airport's always about money, bro. Trust me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we there South Africa, like forget my bag from one point to the next, it cost me like $30. And I was like, but wait, it's supposed to go there naturally. Like they're like, no, I need to take it there for $30. I mean, I said, wait, what happened?
Bro, trust me, they will take your money.
Yeah, no, they did.
Yeah.
they definitely did. But my next journey to Africa will definitely be
You gotta go to Ghana, Nigeria.
to Ghana. No,
Yeah.
I want to go Ghana. I want to go Accra.
Yeah.
The videos of the parties that I see in
Bro.
Accra.
Go December.
And yeah, everybody's telling me that.
Bro, I'll be there. So don't worry. I got
Definitely.
you.
Yeah.
I'll be there.
All right.
Bro, you're gonna have a blast.
Good. See, like how I can't guarantee your safety when I go Jamaica. We can't go Jamaica together. We can park.
I was in Kingston though. I was outside.
Good. No, but as I say, like, there is places in a Jamaica where, like, if me carry you can be good, but me not guarantee. So you go good. You know what I mean? Me not gonna be like, yo, I got you. No. There's places that can be like that. But not everywhere.
No, but Ghana is everywhere.
Ghana is everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Good. Maybe that is our that is the Fanta side that we are the Igbo side.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, this was a very eye-opening and interesting conversation. May I invite you back, people. Tell the people them where to find you, and if them want to come on your party, where them can forward.
BLAQ PAGES on all social media platforms. Yeah, we're gonna be outside every day.
Mr. Cool Guy in the shades. Big up Blaq Pages. Thanks for forward.
Anytime, bro.
All right, yo, we're out.
Peace.